So I'm going to show you how to program your Chamberlain garage door wireless keypad. This is for the newer model of Chamberlain garage door openers. So here's the wireless keypad. First you go ahead and remove the top. The next thing you want to do is you're going to press and hold these two buttons. This is to put in your new pin. So let's just put 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you hit the pound key. And now you're going to select, for the new model it's going to be an 8, and then hit pound key again. Now that it's confirmed, you're going to go back to the garage door opener and you're going to hit the learn button. So here at the garage door opener, you're going to hit the learn button, which is the yellow button, and then that light will come on, and now you're going to go back to the keypad. Now you're back at the keypad. You're going to enter your 4-digit PIN and press 0. You're going to get a click and you're going to press 0 again to confirm, and then it's going to be closing. And that's how you program or reprogram your wireless keypad.